Hello teachers, and welcome back to lesson 4. This is part 2 of 3. Okay, we're gonna take a look at our target content. And as you know, it's the cultural page of Give Me 5. Okay, so we're gonna jump into our reading part. Okay, so this is the second reading part. And now we've done a general reading, and now we wanna do specific for small groups or individuals. And it's pretty simple. You assign, you say, all right, Betty, you are Alex, Bob, you are Lucy. Or you can say, team A, you're Alex, team B, you are Lucy, depending on how you want to do it on that particular day. Easy enough. Team A will say, hello, I'm Alex. Team B will say, and I'm Lucy. We go to primary school in England. Okay, and you'll obviously give points as you go along with the reading. Okay, now what else you're going to do is you're going to be writing down target sentences as the students are reading. So this way we can kill two birds with one stone. And of course, the kids are reading from their book, and the teacher at the front of the classroom writing down target sentences to be used at a slightly later stage. Okay, so you're writing sentences, doing the points. It's easy, don't worry. Okay, now the kids have finally finished reading. You've done as many kids as you want to do. That's fine. Or all of them if that's what's necessary. And then the kids will sit down and boom, you've got the sentences on the board. Now, the reason why we're doing this is because this is England, okay? And this is particular for students in England, okay? Not all students in England, but certainly, definitely not students in Vietnam, okay? So I've got the sentences on the board and I might reinforce it, okay? I'll say, all right, boys and girls, look at number 1. We go to primary school in England. 3, 2, 1, go. We go to primary school in England. Good job. Number 2, at school, and then they go. Now, this is your opportunity to ask 1 or 2 of the weaker students to read the sentence out loud, just so that you can bring them up to the same level as everybody else. Boom. Now we've got the sentences ready to go. But as I've said before, this is specific to Alex and Lucy. So these sentences are true for Alex and Lucy while they're sitting in their school in assembly in England. It's not true for Bob and Betty, okay? So what we need to do is we need to contextualize for Bob and Betty sitting in the classroom, either in Saigon, Hanoi, Taipei, it doesn't matter. It's got to be real for them. So I'll pick on my 2 students. I'll say, Bob, we go to primary school in England. Is it okay? And Bob will say, no. Good job, Bob. We don't go to primary school in England. Yes, that's correct, Bob. Betty, number 2. At school, we don't have an assembly every day. Good job, Betty. Bob, number 3. We don't sit on the floor. Good job, Bob. Last one, Betty, number 4. We don't listen to the head teacher. Yes. Now that means that these are true for them. All right, now we're going to throw in the sentence that is not just a negative sentence. So we don't go to primary school, but then what do you do? Okay, this is an affirmative sentence, positive one. We go to primary school in Hanoi. We go to primary school in Taipei. We go to primary school in Saigon, okay? And this allows our students now to describe the world around them in correct grammatical English. And of course, factually correct as well. Okay, so the teacher now sets that up. And then the next step, of course, is to throw out the questions. So now I'm going to ask my students to read the questions as I'm writing them down. All right, boys and girls, number 4, who do you listen to in assembly? Who do you listen to? So now the kids will read the questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hey presto, good job, teacher. You've now got the answers 1, 2, 3, 4 underneath. Okay, that's pretty cool. So we've set up our whole whiteboard with very little effort, and the students have really had a very good time in learning how to construct valuable sentences and construct grammatically correct sentences and to use them in context. Okay, with very little effort at all. Teachers, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please join me in the next video for the last part of lesson 4. See you then. Bye-bye.